Hello, my dear family members. I hope you are all keeping well. I was deeply upset after seeing the conditions what happened in our state, Meghalaya, as you have seen in the videos. Recently, we have received a very heavy rainfall unexpectedly, and subsequently, many roads are being destroyed and unable to export and import. And many people have lost their life, their properties. So, in this situation, I really felt that it is our duties and responsibilities to help and support each other and to report the situation to the concerned ministers who are being appointed for these responsibilities. I also like to request the ministers, the authorities of our state Meghalaya to be more responsible, to understand the need of the people, especially those people who have been badly affected by the flood, to help them economically, financially. So let us work together. Let us put our hands together so that everything will be normal as soon as possible.